Dear student, in this video we will learn the problem of Unit 8 triangle and its property from worksheet 1. In the first question here, look at the figure, look at the figure carefully and complete the statement. Here figure is this is the figure. This vertex is A, this vertex is B, and this vertex is C. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. The first question is angle BAY is equal to angle ABC plus blank. The second one B is angle CBZ is equal to angle this plus angle this. C is angle CAB plus angle ABC. Now from the first, here angle BAY, this is the angle BAY, and we know that sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Here corresponding to this angle, the opposite interior angle, these two angles are the opposite interior angle. So sum of these two angles, these two, first one is this and second one is this, the sum of these two angles is equal to the exterior angle. So we write angle BAY is equal to angle ABC plus angle ACB. So in the first blank you have write angle ACB. In the second question, here angle CBZ, angle CBZ, this is the angle CBZ, and we know that this corresponding to this exterior angle, these two are interior angle. these two जहाँ मैंने मार्क कर रहा हूँ, देखो ये दोनों इंटीरियर एंगल का एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या है, ये है. सो वी राइट एंगल CBZ इज इक्वल टू एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल ACB. नाउ थर्ड वन इज, इन थर्ड वन एंगल CAB, this means this angle CAB, and ABC, this angle ABC. These two interior angles, sum of these two interior angle is equal to this angle exterior angle, and this angle is angle ACX. So we write angle ACX. So complete question number 1. In question number 2, here in the given figure find angle YRQ, angle PRQ. Where in figure, where the angle YRQ, this angle with the angle YRQ, ठीक है. And we know that the angle opposite to the sum of interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. So we write angle YRQ is equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR. By which property? Sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. So angle YRQ, is equal to these two angles. Here angle RPQ is 60 degree and angle PQR is 70 degree. So we get angle YRQ is equal to 130 degree. This is the answer. Now in second question number B, here you have to find angle PRQ. See where the angle PRQ in figure, PRQ, this angle, you have to find this angle PRQ, it means this angle. We know that sum of these two angles make a linear pair. These two angles make a linear pair, and we know that the sum of linear pair is 180 degree. सो वी राइट, लिखेंगे वी नो दैट एंगल वाई आर क्यू प्लस एंगल पी आर क्यू इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री by which property? By linear pair, by linear pair. And here angle YRQ is 130 degree, so we write 130 degree plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. So angle PRQ is equal to 180 और 130 इधर जाके क्या होगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा 130 डिग्री, इट मीन्स 50 डिग्री. सो एंगल PRQ is equal to 50 degree. दिस इज द answer. In question number 3, here given that one of the exterior angle of a triangle ABC measure 150 degree. If one of the interior opposite angle is 75 degree, find the other opposite interior angle and what type of triangle is this. First you find the other opposite interior angle, then you find ki what type of triangle is this. Is it clear? Suppose this is a triangle ABC in which exterior angle is 150 degree. So we write angle ABC, either x, this angle be the exterior angle which is given 150 degree, one of the interior angle that is 75 degree, let other interior angle is equal to x. So here given that angle ACX is equal to 150 degree, angle BAC is equal to 75 degree, let angle ABC is equal to x degree. We know that angle ACX is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. By which property? Sum of opposite interior angle, sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle, is equal to exterior angle. Sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. So we write angle ACX is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Here angle ACX is given 150 degree, angle BAC is equal to 75 degree, and we'll let angle ABC is equal to x. So angle x is equal to 150 minus 75, then we get 75 degree. So since in triangle ABC क्या लिखेंगे, angle A is equal to angle B, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 75 degree. We know that the side opposite to equal angle are equal, so we write angle opposite of angle A, side opposite to angle A is equal to BC and side opposite to angle B is equal to AC. और यहाँ by which property क्या लिखेंगे, side opposite to equal angle, side opposite to equal angle are equal. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is the answer. Now question number 4. In question number 4, here given that one of the exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree, the interior opposite angles are equal to each other. Find the measure of these two equal interior opposite angle. So in solution, first you make a figure. We make a triangle ABC and BC extend to x. The exterior angle is equal to 100 degree. The opposite interior this exterior angle corresponding to opposite interior angle B, angle A and angle B, let them, this is x degree because both are equal, it is given. So we write given that angle ACX is equal to 100 degree, angle BAC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x degree. This is let ठीक है. नाउ we know that the angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to angle ACX. By which property? Sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Here angle BAC is equal to x degree, angle ABC also x degree, and angle ACX 100 degree. It is given. So we get 2x is equal to 100 degree, and so x is equal to 50 degree. So angle ABC is equal to angle BAC is equal to 50 degree is, this is the answer. Now question number 5. Here in question number 5 it is given, in a triangle one of the exterior angle is 105 degree, one of the interior opposite angle is 75 degree. Find the measure of all the angle of a triangle. You have to find all the angle of a triangle. So first you make a figure. This is the triangle ABC. We extend side BC to x, and the exterior angle is 105 degree. One of the interior opposite angle is 75 degree. You have to find other angle of a, here given that angle ACX is equal to 105 degree, angle BAC is equal to 75 degree, angle BAC is equal to 75 degree. Let angle ABC is equal to x degree. Now angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to angle ACX. By which property? Sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle, Sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Now angle BAC is equal to 75 degree plus angle ABC we let x degree, and angle ACX it is given 105 degree. So angle x degree is equal to 105 minus 75, that is 30 degree. So angle ABC is equal to x degree is equal to 30 degree. Now in triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. By which property? By angle sum property. So angle BAC is equal to 75 degree, angle ABC is equal to 30 degree plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 105 degree, that is 75 degree. So the angles of triangle are, angles of triangles are 75 degree, 30 degree and 75 degree. This is the answer. Now question number 6. In the given figure, in the given triangle, find the measure of angle PRQ. So we know that the sum of opposite interior angle, the corresponding to this exterior angle, these two angle are the opposite interior angle. So sum of these two angle is equal to exterior angle. तो क्या लिखेंगे सॉल्यूशन में? लिखेंगे एंगल PRQ प्लस एंगल RPQ इज इक्वल टू एंगल RQ इधर नाम दे दो कुछ भी, x दे दो, इस ना RQX. Here angle PRQ not given, so we write PRQ. Angle RPQ, this is the 90 degree. Angle RQX, this is the 140 degree. So angle PRQ is equal to 140 minus 90 degree. So angle PRQ is equal to 140 minus 90, that is 50 degree. So angle PRQ is equal to 50 degree. This is the answer. So we completed worksheet 1. Today's homework, you have to complete worksheet 1, question number 1 to 6. Thank you.